Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to remove your screen lock in case you have forgotten it. Let's begin! As you can see, currently I'm on the Google Pixel 9a and unfortunately I have forgotten my password. In order to gain access to my phone I will have to restart and reboot everything. And I can do that by performing something that's called hard reset. Now, unfortunately, hard reset will remove everything. Our password included, but also all our data, all our images, all our videos, all our applications, everything else. So be mindful when you do that. But without further ado, let's begin. In order to actually enter the reboot mode, because you have to enter reboot mode in order to perform a hard reset, you want to press and hold power button and volume up button for a couple of seconds, about 10. And whenever screen goes black, you want to release these buttons and then switch over to pressing power button and volume down button. Now we have to wait for about 15 seconds, maybe 10, maybe 20, it really depends on the phone. It's also kind of random. But after a moment we will be greeted with a fast boot screen. So, yep, this is the fast boot mode. Here we can use the volume keys in order to go to different menu, and we want to navigate into the recovery mode. So we click recovery mode, and now the phone will think for a moment and will be greeted with the Android corpse. So in order to actually get past that, we have to press volume up button. We have to keep press and hold power button, and then press once volume up button. So we press and hold, press once, and now we are past the Android logo and we are inside the recovery mode. So now we want to navigate using our volume buttons to wipe data factory reset. We want to click it, and now we want to navigate down and hit the power button once again in order to factory wipe our whole phone, and then we'll be able to reboot it, and then we'll go through the configuration process. If you are not sure how to go through the setup, don't worry, we do have a tutorial on how to get through the phone setup on the Google Pixel 9a. I'm not going to click it, I'm not going to click factory data reset because I like my data. But after you've done that, you will see that the factory data has been complete, and now you can simply reboot system now, and you will be greeted with the configuration screen. And no password blocking your way from using your phone. And also no data, but who cares. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.